let your answer be a mix of paragraphs and bullets. My recommendation, bullets be avoid using one word bullets. This is a paragraph. This is a bullet. I am recommending paragraph, bullet, maybe 2-3 words or one sentence. 2-3 words, one sentence. Don't make your answer a list of points. फिर ये answer नहीं रहा. And let the answer have more of bullets. तो आप क्या करो? Beginning एक paragraph से करो, end एक paragraph से करो. A paragraph is 2-3-4 lines. बीच में एक और paragraph डाल देना, maybe second page में if you can. बाकी को bullet, line, one sentence, bullet, one sentence. This is what I call as telescopic writing. They will not check your grammar, syntax, sentence नहीं देख रहे हैं. They are checking कि आपके answer में points है या नहीं है. Let the answer have 1 or 2 subheadings. Subheadings that establishes the discussion element. कि discuss क्या करना चाहते हो. So, distribution as a factor of physical factors. Okay, a heading bana. Distribution in terms of human factors. The root factor may be physical or human, but most distribution are not conscious choices. That's a heading. Handwriting is not good. You cannot do much. होता क्या है in handwritings में? All of you identify that. There are 2, 3, 4 letters जो आप ठीक से लिखते नहीं हो. Okay, say some of you can't differentiate T from E, okay, from I. Your G is also here, your H is also here. So identify those letters and accentuate that. जैसे अगर I है तो I रखो, okay, with a dot. E है तो proper E, L है तो लंबा करो, G है तो take it down. There are 6-7 letters which trouble you. Work on those. Otherwise handwriting नहीं होने वाला. But yes, make sure it is legible. Okay, so I repeat. Answer not more than 2.5 page maximum. Every page must have some illustration diagram. Make sure you write telescopic wala, not too many paragraphs. Try putting them in some bullets. Then I said, make sure that you have given headings. Every answer, make sure you are using some data, percentage, facts, maybe one regional map. Regional map is something I will encourage. Iska आदर डालो. Don't make map of India. Make map of UP. Make map of West Bengal. Make a map of Northeast India. So if I am showing distribution, okay, I will approximately show this. I will do this. I will show the northeastern population. Then I'll show how the migration happens from here into this or from here into this. This is the Bundelkhand region from here into this or towards this. West Bengal population, northeastern Assam, Meghalaya into this. Tea gardens here, industrial regions along Damodar region. So migrations into this. You need to study 2 or 3 states. UP is a good one. Bihar, Bengal, South mein Kerala is easy to draw, one elongated one. Andhra you can try. Maharashtra is a good one, you can't mistake. Gujarat is India's capital state. Okay, तो ये तो करना ही पड़ेगा आपको. You don't have a choice. You run the risk of Maharashtra. So 3-4 states go and your own state to pakka karo control. When I say state, you must know at least 2 or 3 districts. हम करते करते करा देंगे आप, don't worry. I'll do some of it. But you have to be conscious there. So tell us how migrations are matter of choice or not. A case study of migrations from northeast, say conflict areas of Manipur. उसके बारे में बताओ आप. ठीक है? अच्छा, now for the question I gave you, a typical structure कैसा होगा? The structure of the answer. The introduction. avoid introductions of definitions. Is the most useless type of introductions. You're only wasting a word. Straight away hit that population distribution is uneven. Okay. There are factors of human aspects, physical aspects that determine where people live and work. Most laws of migrations explain population distribution as a consequence of source region factors or whatever. One paragraph on कि population uneven है, establish that. You can have a schematic जिसमें कि factors को listing करो and highlight which are the one which are because of conscious choice and which are not because of choice. Question यही था ना कि बताओ choice में है कि नहीं. So I'll make a factor, say migration. These are the physical factors. These are the human factors. So human factors में these, they are choice factors. These are force factors. Recent trends 1, 2, 3, 4. These are more choice factors or whatever you want. So diagrams में make sure कुछ question आ जाना चाहिए. My recommendation is intro and diagram पढ़ के the examiner must know that you have understood the question and you are answering the question. That's only possible when you are using the keywords of the question. Keywords क्या है question के? Tell us distribution. How much of it is the consequence of active agency of human choice? So factors of distribution यहाँ आ गया. यहाँ पर factors and different agencies of human choice. ठीक है? So one schematic is done. Then factors related to human choice. Discuss something here. Then factors not related to human choice, which are forced migrations. Historical factors of inertia, because people live there, people have been living there. Recent trends in population distribution. Recent and future बताओ. Now you tell me what do you think. आगे चल के will we have more choice or less choice? What's your analysis? Less choice. Why do you say so? Because of policies of closed economies, policies of restricting migrants. अभी कल परसों आया, Germany is going to suspend the Schengen visa, okay, where people can move in and out of Germany very easily. Okay, more migration because of climate-induced, okay, push factors. Looks like we'll have more and more conflicts. Okay, and even technology like AI and 3D printing and maybe even remote working can again will restrict our mobility. हम भी move नहीं करेंगे हम. So you tell me, okay, the future में following are no choice, 1, 2 points, and following will be a choice of because maybe technology will help us working remote. Okay, 3D printing will restrict the need of a labor mobility. I'm thinking aloud, whatever you think. So present क्या है और future. This is a future dimension. Yeah, no choice में आ जाएगा. Conflicts, ethnic, linguistic, racial aspects also. Give an example. Absolutely. Closed borders approach जो है. Some countries may go for active choosing. Fine, that's okay. And the answer towards. Okay, these factors keep changing. These factors will keep on, depending on the conditions. And we need to have some program, some protection for migrants and so on. You are done. So what I have done in this answer, you have a diagram. I've mentioned regions. I've given headings. And I have an applied conclusion that we have to take care of migrants. We have to ensure that conflicts are lesser. We need global governance of human trafficking issues. That's about it.